Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel B Squad. I hope you all are doing well. I am Shivam Chandra from NIT Jamshedpur and today I am the host of this post placement talks produced by B Squad in association with NIT Jamshedpur Frustration. So today I am going to invite Amar and Shubham who will talk about Shubham's interview experience. So, guys, Shubham and Amar are my classmates and they are already placed. So, today we will hear the experience of Shubham, who is placed in VMware and he is assigned the post of member of technical staff over there. So, hear them carefully, guys. This might help you in upcoming placement session. So, this is the genuine request from my side, guys. Ki take some time and do listen it to the end because this is definitely going to help you in your placements. And from my personal experience, I can say that I've also listened to this experiences that helped me a lot in my placements. So now I'm going to add Shubham and Amar in this placement session, guys. Hi Amar. Hi
Hi
Shubham.
Shubham.
Hello, Shivam. Hello, Amar.
Okay. So congratulations, Shubham, for VMware.
Oh, thank you, man.
Okay. So I will take a back seat and start with you guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
sure.
yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi Shubham.
Hello, Amar. How you doing, man?
Yes, I'm good, Shubham. How are you, Shubham?
Yeah, me too. I'm fine too.
First of all, Shubham, congratulations to you for getting a placement in VMware.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Just a second.
तो सबसे पहले हम लोग आपका इंट्रोडक्शन सुनेंगे कि आप कहाँ से हैं, फिर कैसे आपने जर्नी स्टार्ट की है कॉलेजेस का.
Okay. So before that, I'm very much thankful to you guys for having me here. So it's my pleasure to be here with you all and to share my experience and all. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
So this is Subham Kumar. I'm basically a undergraduate student of NIT Jamshedpur. I'm a final year student of NIT Jamshedpur basically, and my stream is electronics and communication. And yeah, I have got placed in VMware, and I got offered as a member of technical staff as a role. So yeah, it's all about me, and yeah.
यस यस दैट्स ग्रेट शुभम. सो थोड़ा आप VMware कंपनी के बारे में बता सकते हैं कि वो कंपनी क्या करती है और किस फील्ड में
Yes.
उसका मेजर काम होता है.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, VMware is a kind of IT, fully IT company, which basically develops some kind of the things that are totally inclined toward virtualizations and cloud computing. That's all about its motto to convert everything into virtualizations. This is the main part of this company, and it is basically situated in California. The main headquarter is in Alto Palo. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And what is the roles offered to you?
Company has offered me a member of technical staff. It is a kind of research and development field. So this is the role
Okay,
that they have offered me.
okay, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
talking about this drive of the placement. So what was the eligibility criteria of that drive,
Mhm.
and how you applied to that company? Or is it on campus or off campus?
Okay. So in real, at the end of October, I think this company has visited in my college as a placement session was running at that time. Still, it is running, and the main criteria was like the eligibility is like in your college performance as well as the 10th matriculation exam and 12th exam as well as the criteria was minimum of 70% all over in this particular fields. So the basically the tests were distributed in it's basically total of placement five interview process and all, including written test and all.
Okay. So can you explain in brief that what were the rounds, the interviews
Yeah.
round and the written test round? In brief, yes.
So
Yes.
as usual, this company has first arranged one online test that was aptitude plus technical, which consists of few sections, and each section is specifying some kind of content questions. Like the first section was totally aptitude based, plus reasoning and plus logical and syllogisms and other kind of aptitude test. The second section was a single coding question that was quite easy, and the third was like a technical theoretical questions that was a totally theoretical concepts and all. They are like, it is kind of MCQs questions. And so as I have mentioned, there were total of 5 rounds. So the
Yeah.
first round is this that I have mentioned already.
Okay.
The second round was basically face-to-face interview. That is also a technical round, and it was a quite easy level technical round. It was basically they have asked a few questions, coding questions, with a easy and moderate level. And also they will ask you some they had asked me like, interpersonal skills and your ability and your, the thoughts, what, how you are thinking about the algorithms and all. The third interview was also a face-to-face interview. That was also a technical round, and it also basically the difference between the previous and this was like, it was a kind of moderate level interview, technical interview, which consists of also two coding questions that was of easy level as well as the moderate level. So it also consists coding questions, and apart from that, it followed one more managerial round. That was the managerial round. That is the second last round, which basically contains the content like, how you gonna work or how you gonna tackle all these problems in your day-to-day life, and what are the interpersonal skills that you have, and how you gonna bring yourself to this company, and what is the main motto of that. And the last interview was to HR round, which was like 15 to 20 minutes of interview, which consists of basically your introduction as well as the background, and the culture that you have been followed, or the kind of guidance that you have got from your senior. This is all about the interview process and all. That was quite long and exhaustive, but I have enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, that's great. That's great, Subham. And
Yeah.
also very nice that you have cleared all the rounds and finally you got selected. So
Yeah,
Subham,
yeah.
can you tell that how was your overall experience from the application process to getting finally selected? How was your feeling after getting selected?
As usual, like, as at the first, everyone was, like, quite panic. They got panic and they got nervous because the experience was totally very much new for them. So I have also I have seen some kind of nervous and confusions and all. But when I attended this interview, it was like a great experience for me, because the interviewer and for me, between us, there was a great communications, and the interaction was quite great, because they are very much, comfortable with me, and I am also very much comfortable with them because of their polite response and generous response. That's why the interview was, even though the interview was total of 5 rounds, that was a big interview intervals. But in between that, amidst that, I was quite enjoying the whole process of interview because of their interaction way and all.
Yes, yes, that's great. That's great, Subham. So पूरा इंटरव्यू के दौरान
Mhm.
या इंटरव्यू के बाद कुछ ऐसा टॉपिक्स लगा जो शायद VMware के स्पेसिफिक हो और दूसरी कंपनी नहीं पूछती हो, कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं?
Yeah, like, it is a kind of myth that the questions are coming from a data structures and algorithm, but I am not accepting these things, because what I have seen through VMware is that they are more likely toward the interpersonal skills. Whatever you have, what are the abilities you have, what are the things that you're gonna, enhance by yourself. These all things are more likely demanding from their side. It was not like you should have some kind of great level of coding profile, or you should have some kind of, coding performance that is at the top of the level. So it is not something, it is not like that. All you need to have the best personal interpersonal skills, or you need to have the best way to, interact with them, and to convey what you want to share, or what you want to, convey the information in between them. That's the whole thing they're gonna, focused on inside you.
Okay, that's nice, Subham. So Subham, as you have prepared a lot for this placement thing, सो क्या आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रैटेजी ड्यूरिंग द प्रिपरेशन एंड व्हाट रोड मैप यू हैव फॉलोड
Mhm.
एंड फाइनली which helped you to crack this type of interview?
Okay, so even though like मेरा background ऐसा नहीं था, coding type का नहीं था, other like mostly people's are having some kind of guidance from their brothers and their sister, but it was not like that for me. But in second year, what I have I just start focusing on to learn a specific programming language. जैसे मैंने पाइथन को पहले चुना, पाइथन को लर्न किया, उनका जो भी पाइथन का जो भी नीड्स था, एनी कॉन्सेप्ट आई हैवंट skip the part. And after learning the programming language, what I have decided to just do some more works on ops language, ops, because it is more important when you are going to shift yourself from programming language to development part. सो ओप्स पर ज्यादा कमांड हासिल किया, जो भी था प्रैक्टिस किया कुछ मंथ। फिर उसके बाद टोटली आई हैव शिफ्टेड माई सेल्फ टू द डेवलपमेंट पार्ट, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू गोना एक्सप्लोर द थिंग्स दैट इज अराउंड योर वर्ल्ड, राइट। सो फिर मैंने डेवलपमेंट पार्ट पर जंप किया। वेब डेवलपमेंट मेरा स्पेसिफिकेशन मेरा डोमेन था, तो उस पर वर्क किया, प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाया, एंड देन एज अ क्यूरियोसिटी आई जस्ट शिफ्ट माई सेल्फ टू द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड ऑल, to just get the information, get the new technologies, and be familiar with all these things. सो स्ट्रेटजी यही था कि स्टार्टिंग में बेस मजबूत करना है, लैंग्वेज पूरी तरह कमांड हासिल करना है। फिर जब मैं डेवलपमेंट पार्ट पर गया, तो उसके बाद मेरे को क्या करना था कि मीनवाइल आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल एल्गोरिथम्स, so that I can't skip this important things. And at last, what I did, I just tried to focus on internship, because that's how you're gonna work, and that's how you're gonna implement yourself, your strategies to the practical life, right? So यही दो तीन चीज था जिस पर मैंने ज्यादा फोकस किया, and yeah, that's what I have done so far.
बहुत बढ़िया, ये तो बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रैटेजी सुनने में लग रहा है। हाँ, तो ये बताइए हमको कि जैसे बहुत सारे डाउट होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को कि क्या हम ज़्यादा फोकस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स को दें, थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट को दें, या अपने आप को डिवोट करें डेवलपमेंट साइड। तो क्या लगता है कि किस साइड में ज़्यादा टाइम देना चाहिए टू क्रैक एन इंटरव्यू?
Yeah, that's the great point you have asked. Like it is it is a very big deal for the juniors, because they got confused, they got panic because of this stage where they have to choose a particular thing, like in development part, or just doing work on practicing this algorithms and all. So important यही है कि बस यही करना है कि क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस पर डे, 5 to 10 क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करना है, नॉट मोर देन दैट। And apart from that, you have to focus on development part, because development part is the things that you're gonna explore, and you're gonna apply the things in practical life. And also it gives you a lot of confidence, and it gives you to increase your morale, so that you're gonna crack every exam that is going to face in future by you. So that's the point. I think that will work definitely for other juniors and folks.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So, at last, Subham, that from your perspective, any secret tricks or suggestion you want to add on, so that
Yeah,
our viewers and juniors can
yeah, yeah,
get something to new, so that they can add on their roadmap and crack an interview.
yeah, yeah. So last में यही कहना चाहता हूँ, like every person, every candidate who are going to enter in this programming world, first they need to have some patience, especially for third year students. And they have, they don't have to show some rush. That's the second point. And the third point is that they don't need to be get panicked, because whatever they are going to do is all related with the placement that you are more focused on. And the last, so the patience and the consistency even more important for you to crack these exams. Consistency, patience, and just have some faith in you. And also you have to be loyal for yourself. loyalty is also important for yourself. You have to be
Yes,
loyal for
yes,
yourself.
you are right. You are
That's the
right,
point.
Shubham. You are perfectly right that one should have motivation, the good preparation
Patience, yeah,
strategy,
obviously.
and patience and consistency, so they can crack any type of interviews.
Obviously,
Uh,
obviously.
yes,
And like, yeah, I have seen a lot of interviews. I have seen that the interviews are not quite difficult if you have the concept, if you have seen everything in your path, then you're gonna crack every kind of exams. That's even easy for you.
okay, okay, that's great, Subham. That's very great hearing from you that your experience of VMware and how you have prepared the coding thing. And
Yeah,
so, thank you
thanks.
for your time, Subham. Uh,
Yeah, and you
Now I
guys
would
are
like,
doing great for these juniors
yes,
and all. You all
yes,
are doing great.
thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you, Shubham
Thank
and
you.
Amar.
Thank,
बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के.
thank you, Shivam.
I hope कि the viewers will get to learn a lot about the placement session कि कैसे होता है सब चीज. So I hope these things will definitely gonna help every viewers जो कि देख रहे हैं in the upcoming placements. To get much more pro tips regarding different companies, please stay tuned to us, guys. तब तक के लिए goodbye. Thank you.
Bye bye all.